Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using multiple cleaning tools to get the job done? The Tineco FloorOne S5 Smart Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum is here to change that. This amazing device is not only a top-rated and best-selling product, but it's also incredibly versatile. With its smart tech and two-in-one design, you can easily switch between vacuuming and mopping, tackling tough and sticky messes on hard floors with ease. The iLoop Smart Sensor technology automatically adjusts suction, water flow, and brush roller speed, giving you a seamless cleaning experience. As you use the FloorOne S5, you'll notice the exclusive brush roller gliding closely against baseboards and cleaning hard-to-reach corners, leaving your floors completely dry and streak-free in minutes. The clean water tank is also 30% larger than the previous model, allowing you to clean larger areas without interruption. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its effectiveness and ease of use. One of the standout features of the FloorOne S5 is its self-cleaning cycle, which deep cleans the brush roller and tubing for hand-free maintenance. After cleaning, the centrifugal drying effectively removes water from the roller, leaving it fresh and ready for the next use. This is especially useful for pet owners or families with kids, who often have to deal with messy spills and accidents. In real-life use cases, the FloorOne S5 really shines. For example, if you have a large kitchen with hardwood floors, this device can quickly and easily clean up crumbs and spills, leaving the floor looking like new. It's also perfect for cleaning high-traffic areas, such as entryways and hallways. Overall, the Tineco FloorOne S5 is a game-changer for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient cleaning solution, and I highly recommend giving it a try. If this helped, link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.